how much you can earn when you are an expert in your language. You can see the rate like 2 hour consultation for React or Python, 50 plus USD per hour. It means that if you are an expert, if you know what you need to do, 2 hour consultation for React, Python, need an expert. I'm looking for an expert who can provide a 2 hour consultation for my React Python project. Okay, so you can see this is just on one website of freelancing, but at least it will give you an idea of how much you can charge when you know this. So if you are working on a project like you are asking $10 per hour, $15 per hour, that's another thing. But within 2 hours you can make $50 per hour, like 50 and 50 $100 just within 2 hours. And that is not for coding purpose, that is for the consultation purpose, and you need to just talk. But are you on that level? Think about it.